In this tutorial I will show you how to delete Amazon search history. First, launch the Amazon app. Then tap on the account button at the bottom. Tap on your account. And then scroll down until you see a section called Personalized Content. And tap on Browsing History. Now you'll see all of your search history or the items you've viewed recently. To delete them, simply tap where it says Remove from View. If you want to delete all of them at once, tap on Manage History and select Remove All Items from View. So that is how you can delete search history on the Amazon app.